This is how you get started with Go Ultra. Go Ultra Standard Bundle includes the following. Combining Go Ultra. Place the standalone camera into the Action Pod to start shooting. To remove the standalone camera from the Action Pod, press the lock button and separate. Camera overview. Now, let's take a look at Go Ultra. The micro SD card slot is on the left side of the standalone camera. Open the cover, insert the card, then close it again. The cover is fully closed and waterproof when the orange mark is no longer visible. Activating the camera. Activate the camera by holding the power button for 2 seconds. Get the Insta360 app by scanning the QR code on the Action Pod screen or downloading it from your phone's App Store. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the Insta360 app, then complete all the necessary authorizations. Tap the camera icon at the bottom of the phone screen to search for your Go Ultra. When it's detected, tap Connect on the Action Pod, then join in the pop-up on your smartphone, and finally, tap Activate. Basic accessories. Magnet pendant. Wear the camera on your chest and easily get hands-free POVs. Magnetic Easy Clip. Quickly and securely attach the standalone camera to the brim of a cap to capture true-life POV angles. Quick-release safety cord. Thread the cord through the hole in the camera, then loop the anchor bead and tighten. Now attach the safety cord to the magnet pendant's lanyard and start shooting with peace of mind. Charging. Put the standalone camera in the Action Pod. Connect the Action Pod to a power supply with a USB-C cable. The indicator lights on the standalone camera and Action Pod will glow orange while charging. The light will turn green when it is fully charged. To see the battery level, tap the upper right corner of the touchscreen on the Action Pod. Now you're up and running with Go Ultra. Check out our other tutorials to find out more.